Hi guys, this is Priyanka and I'm co-founder Inner Journeys, and today I am trying to reach out to all the young adults through this video, and I want to convey this to you all that I've been through the age that you are in right now, and I understand and completely agree with you that there have been certain loopholes in the parentings. As a parent, no matter how good we try to be or the best we try to do for our kids, there is always something missing. Because talking as a parent for a second with you all, I only know as much as of being a mother, as old a mother I am, right? So, a parent is never perfect. A parent is also learning as you are growing up. But yes, parents do goof up. They do make mistakes. And as a teenager or as a child, we keep thinking that, one day my parents will realize their fault. They will realize that they were controlling me, they were bullying me, they were trying to, um, you know, turn my personality into something else. They were forcing a career on me, or they were trying to take decisions of my life, or because of their control, I have become an introvert, or because of them, I have this fear of missing out in life, or they've made me, um, very competitive, or because of them, I'm not able to do that and I'm not able to do this. Some of you would have rebelled and, answered back to your parents, which I don't think is wrong in any way. But yes, there would have been a lot of issues that have happened between you and your parents, like a power struggle between you and your parents. And some of you would have taken some drastic steps, like, going to an extreme, like rebelling to your parents, not listening at all to what they're saying, or just doing the opposite of what they're asking you to do. And in a way, uh, with that rebel of yours, a saboteur also got active, where you know that you're doing every single thing which will not help you grow as a person, or which will not help you in your studies, or which will not help you make a good career, but you're still doing it because somewhere this child in you who's traumatized and is waiting for the parents to acknowledge the mistakes or the blunders they have done is waiting for an apology. That child inside you is wanting the parent to apologize, or you will keep destroying your life so that your parents feel bad, so that um, they are never happy with you. You know that, somewhere you know that if you're doing good in your life, it will make your parent happy. So you don't want to give that happiness to your parents, and that is why you're not doing a lot of things in your life, knowingly or unknowingly. So my question to you, my dear young adults, is that what if, say, 15 years from now, when you have done your college, when you're done your education, and you manage to find yourself a job, and one fine day your parents realize that yes, they made a mistake. They shouldn't have behaved in a certain way that they did. Or, they shouldn't have been that controlling with you. They shouldn't have been bullying you. Or, they realize that when they were fighting with each other, it had an impact on you. What if they come and apologize to you? What if they come and tell you that they have understood that they have made a mistake, or they have made a blunder, and they want to rectify their mistakes? At that point of time, what will you do? Because all your life, for last 15, 20 years, you kept waiting for them to come and apologize to you, for them to acknowledge that they have hurt you. But when they come and acknowledge it, apologize to you, can you bring those 10, 15 years of your life back where you behaved like a rebel, or you kind of sabotaged your own career and your life, got into addictions, or got into a bad company, did not complete your education, or did not study to get good marks? No, you'll not be able to get those years back. And that is why I feel it is important that we heal that trauma now. Instead of waiting for your parents to come and apologize to you one day, I want you to forgive them. Forgive them for not being the parent you wanted. And be that parent for yourself. And for that, I'm there. That is why I'm making this video, to convey to you all that I'm now planning to hold workshops for the young adults, because I want to create, or at least initiate, the process of creating a generation, the next generation, which is healed. So come talk to me. I'm there, always listening to you. I'm there, and trust me, I will understand. If you really want to heal yourself, or even if you just want to share your story, you feel that you want someone to hear, someone to listen, so just join that workshop that I'll be doing for you all, and find that support where you can actually heal yourself. Because if you keep waiting for someone else to acknowledge your hurt, or to come and apologize to you, and you will waste the golden years of your life, then my dear friends, only you are going to get harmed or hampered. Parents obviously will feel bad, will feel sad, but then ultimately, parents will go one day. It is you who will have to live the rest of your life. So instead of punishing someone else by ruining your life, I think, being a very smart generation, you people know that it is better to heal yourself, heal your traumas, so that when probably you face the world, you are a better person, you are better equipped to do that. So soon I'll be sharing details about this workshop that I'll be doing with the young adults. And if you just wish to share your story, if you wish to um, get some tools to help yourself, and to heal your trauma, or to at least begin this inner journey of healing yourself, then do join in that webinar and see how it works for you. Thank you so much for listening.